development of technology have turned the dreams into reality. We continue to push boundaries to be lighter and closer. Phalo RTK, here it comes. The whole drum is small and lightweight, weighing only 195 grams, equipped with 1,104 power brushless motor, which improves the flight performance in an all-round way. It comes with a full enclosing physical protective cover and is equipped with runaway protection, locked rotor protection, and low power protection systems to ensure flight safety at any time. 60 million colors, full color LED lights to achieve a variety of lighting effects, equipped with RTK differential positioning system, bringing centimeter level positioning accuracy, making the performance more delicate and vivid. The networking is simple, and it can be connected quickly without external equipment, allowing the formation of performances to be triggered at any moment. Phalo RTK has greatly shortened the viewing distance of drum performances with an immersed atmosphere and within reach. It creates a more beautiful and dreamy experience and outstandingly interprets the technical charm of drum formation performances.